Ooh, my wax is here. Can't wait to try it out. This is what 25 pounds of wax looks like. Come with me to test out this brand new wax called Sexy Smooth Wax Purple Seduction. This is a professional grade wax. It's super gentle and it's very easy to apply. Right now I'm going to be using it on one of my students. This is Essence, and I'm just doing her underarm. She didn't have a ton of hair, but it did grab every single hair that she did have. So we decided to try it on her thighs because she had a little bit more hair on her thighs. I already laid down my initial strip, so I'm going in on my touch-up strip. And look at that application. The wax itself is absolutely beautiful, and I already love it. And that pull is chef's kiss. Tomorrow, we're actually going to be having wax day. So we're going to be testing this wax out on different skin types, hair thicknesses, to really see how it performs. And all the students were so excited to test it. And one thing I enjoy about this wax is if you see after I pull it, it's still nice and stretchy and pliable. And this lets me know that it's not going to break on my client. Tune in for part 2 tomorrow of our wax day. Bye.